Hello, myself Ramya. This is next node. So here one person to that top level groups only basically gives the data so that the whenever basically the solution basically is going to implement that time basically which data is getting processed, that data also basically they know. So here one person told that for that basically many system basically are created in this world. Basically there are more than 1 crore softwares basically created just to process this correct data. Basically you can just imagine this entire world basically is running any of the software basically that is for this process only basically, that is for this process only. So you can just imagine basically just for this process basically they are doing this everything. So here one person told whatever task basically governments are doing basically they are going to implement into human souls one day basically. One day basically it's going to process in the human souls. So here one person told that the human souls basically is going to process the data. Human souls basically is going to process the data which government is going to give the solution basically. That means one of the person told that in that basically they adds the next generation also, because they have to do the complete information. They need basically complete information. Otherwise basically how they will give the complete input basically. So like this basically things are basically there. So here one person told that nowadays basically it's a digital world. So what the government is going to do process that data are also basically kept in digital basically, but you can't keep the entire data basically in digital. Why basically I am telling you like this, because whatever thing basically you are dumping into the computer basically that is getting processed basically, that is processing and get that basically processed basically. So until basically you are not clear about that system basically, you have to write down everything basically in the paperwork basically, and then only basically you can do the process. So next video.